Hello YouTube family, how are you? I'm doing good. Today I will unbox my beauty box of September. So you can see the box is so beautiful. I really like this box. So let's see what I have got in this box. So yeah, if you can see, the box is so beautifully protected. So yeah, I have already. So yeah, if you can see the box, these products. So let's see what I have got. Even they gave me this beautiful leaflet telling you the products, what the products are, and this is the internet. So this is a site, official site of my beauty box. So and it is say the box is worth for 45 euros. So I did my research about this product. So let's see. They sent me beautiful lipstick. So I want to give it a try. Let's try the lipstick. This is by Nabla Diva Crime. It is a modern matte lipstick. So yeah, it is Cosmic Dance. So let's try the product. Wow, so beautiful packaging. You can see the packaging, how beautiful it is. So yeah, such a beautiful color. Let's try it. I'm curious. Da, 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 da. It's like a rosy plump color. Smell like sugar. Not so matte, a little bit of moisture. You like this? I really like this lipstick. Oh my god, such a pretty color. So let's see what it tells about the product. Diva Crime is a modern matte experience for glamorous and velvety lips. A new, weightless, long-lasting. It is a long-lasting formula that glides on smoothly with a pure matte finish. Yeah, it's matte, but it has something very nourishing. Not matte. And enriched with Japanese camellia oil to hydrate and provide antioxidant benefits. So yeah, really like this product. So beautiful. Such a pretty color. The next product is this product. So they sent me this Alama Professional. This is a hair product. So yeah, conditioner with vitamin, and it is for every type of hair. So it is a product made in Italy. So let's see what they have sent me. I've researched for this. The price, it is from Amazon. I guess you can get it from Amazon, and the price is 8 euros, around 8 euros for 300 ml. So yeah, it will apply and spread over the length. So yeah, you must here over the length, and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it. Yeah, this is the second product. I'm excited to use this product. And then the third product, they gave me this cotton pads for removing makeup. So it is the mini size, if you can see. This is from Cotton Plus. So let's see. 2-in-1 solution, 2-in-1, because it contains already the detergent for removing your makeup. It is said that you take one and you take a little water and you remove your makeup. So yeah, it contains aloe vera, carrot, and vitamin E. Yeah, I will say not bad. And the price The full size, this is a mini, so I don't know how much it costs and how much we have in it. So the full size is 50 pieces, and it is around €9. So you can get it from Amazon if you're interested. So yeah, really like this product. And then they have yeah, it is it is suitable for all type of skin, and it is said it is natural product. So yeah, and it's very practical. You can take it for if you're traveling, because you need only to activate this pad with only water and you remove it. So yeah, very excited this one. This is the third product, and the fifth product is this chewing gum. I was if you can see, I have opened it and I use it. So this is Degum White and Care, contain vitamin C. So it says vitamin C is very important for the whitening effect, and it is good for yellowish. So yeah, and it has a good taste. If you can see it like this. So yeah, really like this product. This is two, and it contains it goes around €2. So yeah, this is the fourth product. And the fifth product, this is Oxy Aesthetic Oxy Peel Off Black Mouse. It is a mouse that we use to remove blackheads. So yeah, let's see what it said. Purify your skin. So yeah, you need to apply it a single layer, and we must avoid eyes area, and we must wait for 20 to 30 minutes, and then when it is dry we pull off the mouse. And I heard some people don't like this product because they said it's really, when you peel off this mouse, it really makes you feel bad. So, and even it doesn't remove the black head. So I must give it a try. I don't know if I like it or not. Yeah, if you can see it like this. Yeah, the full size of this product is, it costs around, let me see. Yeah, for this is this is 20 ml, so a sample size. For 150 gram, it costs you €10. So yeah, okay. And the two products are, this is a beauty. I really like this nail polish. This is by if you can see, Mavala, and it is Duchess Rose. Such a pretty color. I really like it. You can get it from Look Fantastic. It costs you $6.45, and it is said it is a long wearing nail polish, and so elegant, so beautiful. This color, I think everyone should have it. So beautiful. I really like this color. So yeah, this is by Mavala. And then the last product is by Masoda Milano. Masoda Milano, it said it is a baked eyeshadow, baked art and silky eyeshadow. It is long lasting, and you can use it white, even white and white, to give more pigment. So yeah, this is a luxury dew eyeshadow. If you can see, luxury dew. So yeah, oh my god, look at this color, how beautiful. Let's try that color. Oh wow, that's so pigmented, girl. Really, I like it. And this blue one is, oh mamma mia, look at this. Let's mix the two color. mixing the two color, you get like this, so beautiful. Yeah, in the official site of Meso da Milano, it costs around you 12.20. So I would say not bad. Such a pretty color, guys. Look at this color, so beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited. And I'm excited to try this product, so beautiful. So if you can see, we get one full size product, second full size product, third full size product, another four products full size, and this is a mini, and this is a mini, and this is full size. So I would say this box is so nice because the box is not bad, because it is value for 45 euros. So yeah, I like this box, and I say I have do a good deal because I get so much products that I don't know. So as we say, it's a good deal, and I'm happy. So yeah, till then we will meet next videos, and stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel and give me some love, give me some support from you. So we will meet next video. So till then, bye bye and take care. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.